Hi friends, how you doing? Back to read another book. I picked Elephant and Piggy again. There is a bird on your head. There's a little bird. And this is Theodore Geisel. It's a special award. That was Dr. Seuss's real name. So Mo Willems is a great writer like Dr. Seuss. He used lots of good sight words. Cool pictures. There is a bird on your head. All right, here's the first two pages. Can you see the bird coming in here? And then down here. Elephant realizes there's a bird on his head, and he screams, "Piggy!" Is something on my head? What does Piggy say? Can you see? Yes. There is a bird on your head, Piggy says. There is a bird on my head? So this one, Piggy's saying it. There's a period. And Elephant is asking. There's a question mark. And then this is a funny one. Ready? Ag! There's Elephant running away. And do you see all the exclamation points? It means he's shouting. Is there a bird on my head now? Elephant asks. There's the question mark. No. But what do you think might happen there? Do you see him? Now there are two birds on your head. Do you remember our sight word two? Right down here, T-W-O. Uh-oh. Elephant doesn't look too happy. What are two birds doing on my head? Another question. They are in love, Piggy says. The birds on my head are in love, Elephant asks. Elephant asks a lot of questions. They are lovebirds, says Piggy. Look at the exclamation point there. Lovebirds. How do you know they are lovebirds? Elephant asked another question. They are making a nest. Two lovebirds are making a nest on my head? That's what Elephant asks. Why would two birds make a nest on my head? Elephant asks. There's another question mark. I am afraid to ask. Do I have an egg on my head? Elephant asks. There's a question mark. One. Remember our sight word one, O-N-E. Two, T-W-O. Uh-oh. Guess what? There's another egg. That's three, T-H-R-E-E. That's another one of our sight words. You have 3 eggs on your head. I do not want 3 eggs on my head, says Elephant. Then I have good news, said Piggy. The eggs are gone, Elephant asked. The eggs are hatching, says Piggy. Hatching? Look at that big question mark. The eggs on my head are hatching? Another question mark. Uh-oh. Cheep, cheep, cheep. They have hatched. See the cheep, cheep, cheep. Now I have 3 baby chicks on my head and 2 birds and a nest, said Piggy. I do not want 3 baby chicks, 2 birds, and a nest on my head. Where do you want them? Now Piggy asks the question. Somewhere else. Why not ask them to go somewhere else? Ask them? Elephant asks. Ask them. I wonder if that'll work. Okay, I will try asking. Excuse me, birds, will you please go somewhere else? That's what Elephant asked. There's a question mark. No problem, said the bird. It worked! Bye, said the little baby chicks. Now there are no birds on my head. Thank you, Piggy. Thank you very much. You are welcome. Uh-oh, wait till you see what happened to Piggy. Where did the birds go? Yep, they went on Piggy's head. And let's see, can we find the pigeon? Do you see him right there? And that's the end of the story. Well, I hope you liked that Elephant and Piggy story. I think I have one more home that I can read with you next time. And then we'll find some other fun books to read. I hope you are having a great week. And it's a little chilly out right now. That's why I'm inside. A little too windy. It's sunny now. The storms are over, but I had to read inside today since the wind was too strong for me to read outside. But I hope you have fun. I hope you get outside and play and have fun reading. Talk to you soon. Bye.